Stenomania dictations with fluctuations. 5-second start. A dream is a succession of images, ideas, emotions, and sensations that usually occur voluntarily in the mind during certain stages of sleep. Stop. Humans spend about 2 hours dreaming per night, and each dream lasts around 5 to 20 minutes, although the dreamer may perceive the dream as being much longer than this. Stop para. The content and function of dreams have been topics of scientific, philosophical, and religious interest throughout recorded history. Stop. Dream interpretation, practiced by the 3rd millennium and even earlier by the ancient figures prominently in religious texts in several traditions, and has played a lead role in psychotherapy. Stop. The scientific study of dreams is called stop. Most modern dream study focuses on the dreams and on proposing and testing hypotheses regarding dream function. Stop. It is not known where in the brain dreams originate, if there is a single origin for dreams or if multiple regions of the brain are involved, or what the purpose of dreaming is for the body or mind. Stop para. The human dream experience and what to make of it has undergone sizable shifts over the course of history. Stop. Long ago, according to writings from the ancient Egypt, dreams detected post-dream behaviors to an extent sharply reduced in later millennia. Stop. These ancient writings about dreams highlight visitation dreams, where a dream figure, visually a deity or a prominent forebear, commands the dreamer to take specific actions and which may predict future events. Stop. Framing the dream experience varies across cultures as well as through time. Stop para. Dreaming and sleep are intertwined. Stop. Dreams occur mainly in the high and resembles that of being awake. Stop. Because sleep is detectable in many species, and because research suggests that all mammals experience linking dreams to REM sleep, has led to conjectures that animals dream. Stop. However, human dream during sleep also, and not all REM awakenings elicit dream reports. Stop. To be studied, a dream must first be reduced to a verbal report, which is an account of the subject's memory of dream, not to subject's dream experience itself. Stop para. Preserved writings from early Mediterranean civilizations indicate a relatively abrupt change in subjective dream experience between Bronze Age antiquity and the beginnings of the classical era. Stop para. In visitation dreams reported in ancient writings, dreamers were largely passive in their dreams, and visual content served primarily to frame authoritative auditory messaging. Stop. As the result of a dream in which he was told to do so. Stop. After antiquity, the passive hearing of visitation dreams largely gave way to visualized narratives in which the dreamer becomes a character who actively participates. Stop para. In 1966, Hall and Robert published the content analysis of dreams, in which they outlined a coding system to study 1000 dream Reports from college students results indicated that participants from varying parts of the world demonstrated similarity in their dream content The only residue of antiquity's authoritative dream figure in the Hall and One listing of dream characters is the inclusion of God in the category of prominent persons. Hall's complete dream reports were made publicly available in the mid-era. In the Hall study, the most common emotion experienced in dreams were much more common than positive ones. The Hall data analysis showed that sexual dreams occur no more than 10% of the time and are more prevalent in young to mid-teens. Another study showed that 8% of both men's and women's dreams have sexual content. In some cases, sexual dreams may result in organisms or emissions. These are colloquially known as wet dreams. The visual nature of dreams is generally highly, that is, different locations and objects continuously blend into each other. The visuals bracket including locations, people and objects bracket out are generally reflective of a person's memories and experiences, but conversation can take on highly exaggerated and bizarre forms. Some dreams may even tell elaborate stories wherein the dreamer enters entirely new complex worlds and awakes with ideas, thoughts and feelings never experienced prior to the dream. People who are blind from birth do not have visual dreams. Their dream contents are related to other senses such as hearing, touch, smell and taste, whichever are present since birth. Dream study is popular with scientists exploring the mind-brain problem. Some propose to reduce aspects of dream phenomenology to neurobiology. But current science cannot specify dream psychology in detail. Protocols in most nations restrict human brain research to non-invasive procedures. In the United States, invasive brain procedures with a human subject are allowed only when these are deemed necessary in surgical treatment to address medical needs of the same human subject. Non-invasive measures to brain activity like voltage averaging or signals are too slow to explain how brains compute in real time. Scientists researching some brain functions can work around current restrictions by examining animal subjects. As stated by the Soviet for because no adequate alternatives exist, much of this research must be done on animal subjects. However, since animal dreaming can be only inferred, not confirmed, animal studies yield no hard facts to illuminate the dreams. Examining human subjects with brain lessons can provide clues, but the lesson method cannot discriminate between the effects of destruction and disconnection and cannot target specific neural groups in regions like the brain stem. Denied precision tools obliged to depend on imaging, much dream research has succumbed to the law of the instrument. Studies detect an increase of blood flow in a specific brain region and then credit that region with a role in generating dreams. But pooling study Results has led to the newer inclusion that dreaming involves large number of regions and pathways which likely are different for different dream events. Stop para. Image creation in the brain involves significant neural activity downstream from eye intake, and it is authorized that the visual imagery of dreams is produced by activation during sleep of the same structures that generate complex visual imagery in waking perceptions. Stop over.